In this video, I'll show you how to solve your issues with your Wi-Fi on your Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36. I'll show you a few different tricks. The first thing you need to do once your phone is not connecting to your internet and you don't know why is to simply reboot your phone. So drag down, select the power button, click restart, and the phone will reboot itself. It will take 2 minutes, and afterwards hopefully your problem will be gone. If your problem is not gone, I also suggest you go on your Wi-Fi router that you're connected and it doesn't work well, and you simply unplug it from the wall socket. Wait 2 minutes and plug it back. Sometimes the error is not coming out of your phone, it's the Wi-Fi router. Next, another trick that you can do is to simply check if there's any software updates. This solves so many issues every time they're released. So drag down from the top right corner, click on the settings button. From here, tap the magnifying glass, type update, select updates, and updates over here, if you click on it, you'll see if there's anything to be installed. So click on security update if there is one and install it. Sometimes it's not only a security update but also a software update in the back, so this can fix your issue. If you're still having problems with your Wi-Fi, you can always go back in the settings, connections, Wi-Fi. This is the network you're currently connected, and let's say it doesn't work well. Click the cogwheel, select forget, and reconnect to the same Wi-Fi network by typing here your password and pressing connect. And another thing you can try, finally the last option, is to do a reset of the Wi-Fi. So only that part will reset and not the whole phone. It's not a factory reset. To do that, go down, drag down from the top right corner, click on settings. Over here, tap the magnifying glass, type reset. Click on the reset again, go down and select reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Press reset settings and hopefully this will solve your problem. You can also do a factory reset if nothing works and you're desperate. Everything will be wiped out, including your apps, photos, absolutely everything. Your phone will be like a brand new phone if you do a factory data reset. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if this worked, or if you have any other tips, I want to know. So leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.